Hey everyone, Jacob with MarineMax of Savannah here, and behind me I have a 2025 Yamaha SX195. Comes equipped with this galvanized trailer. You've got this bimini top up here, which is real nice, and overall just a great sporty day boat. So I'll go ahead and bring you back here to the transom. You'll see back here that we've got a nice large swim deck, and then right below that you've got these mounts, and these are Yamaha proprietary chairs that will plug into this, which allows you to sit right here, right on the transom. You've got the cup holders right here for the drinks, and just overall a really great place to lounge while you're out on the water. You got this retractable swim ladder right here. It makes it convenient to get on the boat. So go ahead and come aboard with me and I'll show you the rest of the boat. So as I said, it is the 195, but Yamaha has done a great job with making the most space out of what they can with a 19-foot boat. I mean, you've got a pretty decent bow section up here with plenty of seating. You've got the Polk audio speakers right up front here. You've got these side-by-side chairs, very easy controls with the Yamaha readout screen. And then you've also got the Yamaha supercharged motor on this boat. So overall, great performance. It's a quick boat. It's great for friends, great to have your family aboard. You can do some water sports on it and whatnot. So overall, just a good pick if you're relatively new or maybe you've been boating for a while. So anyways, my name's Jacob and hope to see you here soon.